Hi, my name is Chris from Kap Eco Homes. Today I would like to show you eco houses built in modern technology. We build houses with a steel frame structure. We use the highest quality galvanized steel. Each profile is joined with the self-drilled screw. The walls are filled with spray foam insulation or mineral wool. External walls can be finished with many different ways, such as bricks, stone, or the most common, which is external wall insulation with acrylic render. The roof can be covered with the slates, tiles, or metal sheeting. In Kap Eco Homes, we pay special attention to make sure that your house is not only beautiful and functional, but also eco-friendly.
To meet the expectations of the contemporary investor, we have developed an economic line of single-family homes. Together with the architect and a team of professionals, we've made every effort to minimise the cost of construction and subsequent use. Thanks to the experience and knowledge of our designers, we're able to prepare an individual project for each investor, taking into account all needs and technical requirements. Then, factors such as the terrain on the plot, the functionality of the building, and the financial possibilities of the client are taken into account. Advantages of steel frame construction. Quick construction process. We've minimised the wet processes of construction. The only such element is the foundation slab. The rest of the construction works can be carried out regardless of the weather. Prefabricated elements in the form of skeleton of walls, ceiling or roof trusses are delivered to the construction site.
We use OSB boards on all of the walls. Inside, we fit a plasterboard directly to it, and outside, we fit external wall insulation. The walls can be filled with spray foam insulation or mineral wool.
Easy mechanical installation. Due to the fact that the basic supporting structure of the building is a skeleton, i.e. an open structure, assembly of the installations in the walls do not require drilling places for installations. It is enough to lead them in the empty building structure. This greatly speeds up the work without further weakening the building's thermal properties. High thermal parameters. Like timber frames, because of the way they are insulated, light steel buildings have low thermal mass, so heat up and cool down quickly. Airtightness is a real concern today, and steel doesn't disappoint. Given careful attention to construction detailing, steel frame buildings can outmatch the airtightness of traditionally built structures. Provision of the leakage of the building. An energy efficient building should not only be well insulated but also have tight external barriers. The building's tightness is necessary to reduce heat losses, which have a significant impact on the energy demand of the building. In order to secure complete air tightness of the building, we use appropriate design solutions, and during construction we pay special attention to places exposed to leaks in order to avoid any heat loss in the house. We take care of every detail, and the finished building is subjected to leak testing using the blower door method using a thermal imaging camera. The key to obtaining the good quality of the whole building is proven in the technology and high quality workmanship that we provide. Insurers and mortgage providers are happy to underwrite steel framed homes as they are believed to have a lifespan well in excess of 60 years. In fact, because of their ease of repair, durability, costs can sometimes be lower than for masonry or timber frame builds. Warm frame construction, where the lightweight steel is enveloped in insulation in a way that ensures the dew point is outside the frame and thus minimises condensation on the frame, makes sure that nothing can rust. Steel framed homes. Timber framed houses are very familiar to us, but steel framing for domestic builds is less well known in Ireland. The big advantage of steel is its design flexibility. If your house is a simple design, then steel probably doesn't add up cost-wise. But anything more adventurous than this and you're onto a winner. It's possible to make just about any shape or space in light steel. The starting point is a rolled steel frame. The light steel then infills this to form the inner leaf of what would otherwise be blockwork. The outside skin can be anything you like, including steel, but most people choose a masonry or a rendered finish. With effective insulation between the two skins and inbuilt drainage and ventilation, the external wall is complete. Do you want to build your dream home, expand an existing building, or simply add an additional floor? We present the offer for you. Thanks to the experience and knowledge of our designers, we're able to prepare an individual project for each investor, taking into account all needs and technical requirements. Then, factors such as the terrain on the plot, the functionality of the building, and the financial possibilities of the client are taken into account. We customise the project to the personal needs and wishes of the client, providing the investor with a dream home that meets his expectations. Building with Kap Eco Homes. You save money thanks to proven technologies and materials. All partitions have very good thermal parameters, which results in a 50% reduction in energy demand and a reduction in the operating costs of the building. Your stage payments are guaranteed through the signed contract. This agreement sets out exactly the payment required and at what stage payment is due. For initial agreed deposit, this will, we hope, put your mind at ease about your budget overspend. You should always be safe and secure about your investment and decision. You gain time thanks to the use of prefabricated constructions and significant elimination of wet processes. We shorten the time of building a house up to 3 months, guaranteeing long-term durability. You get a guarantee. The quality of workmanship is confirmed by research using a thermal imaging camera and a certificate issued by the Energy Conservation Centre confirming all thermal parameters of the building and the level of energy demand. You have security, thanks to a qualified team of designers and engineers performing all the activities for you based on the solutions developed, many years of experience supported by numerous projects in the country and abroad. You do not have to worry about the lack of time or knowledge. You do not risk, thanks to a clearly formulated contract. You can be sure that you will get the best price factor for quality parameters and possibilities. The available financial resources will be used in 100% and you will gain a house at a specified price, time and quality.